Today I'm going to teach you how to make mashed potato cakes that are sure to become a family favorite. This recipe is perfect for both kids and adults, and is incredibly easy to prepare. I'll walk you through each step to create these delicious classic potato patties. Stick around until the end. I'll share a few easy tips to keep your potato cakes from falling apart. Hi everyone, I'm Camila and welcome to Camila Made. Before we jump into the recipe, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel where I share lots of easy and delicious recipes I'm sure you'll love. Let's get started with the recipe. 100 grams of queso panela, 56 grams of plain panko, 2 large eggs beaten, half teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 1/4 teaspoons of kosher salt, 2 pounds of russet potatoes, washed, peeled, and cut into cubes. Place the potatoes in a medium pot and cover them with water. Make sure the water level is about 1 inch above the potatoes so they cook evenly. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and mix. Bring to a boil over high heat, then reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer until a paring knife easily pierces the potatoes, about 8 to 10 minutes. Drain the potatoes and transfer them to a large bowl. Let them cool for 5 minutes. Use a potato masher to create a smooth, uniform mash. Season with salt and pepper. Now add the panko, add the cheese, mix until everything is well combined. Here's a tip. Panko helps bind the mixture so it's firmer and easier to handle. If you don't have panko, you can use flour or cornstarch. Just start with about half a cup and add more if needed. Add the beaten eggs and mix until the dough is smooth and uniform. Transfer the potato mixture to a bowl and refrigerate until completely chill, about 1 hour. Here's another helpful tip. Lightly oil your hands before shaping the patties. It'll keep them from sticking and make shaping a lot easier. Divide the potato mixture into 20 equal portions, using about 1/3 of a cup for each. Shape each portion into patties, approximately 3 inches in diameter and 3/4 of an inch thick. Place each patty on a lightly oiled plate as you work, re-oiling your hands as needed. Heat about 1 cup of peanut oil in a 12-inch non-stick skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Place 4 patties in the skillet and cook until deeply golden on one side, about 3 minutes. Using 2 forks, carefully flip the patties and cook until golden on the other side. About 2 more minutes, gently pressing them with a fork for even browning. Place the fried patties on a paper towel lined plate to remove excess oil. there you have it. Crispy golden potato cakes that are so easy and delicious. I hope you give them a try. I'll leave the ingredients on the screen so you can pause and copy, and you'll also find them in the description below. And as I always say, if you enjoyed the video, give it a like, share it, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Until next time, ciao!